How to log in into HelloFresh account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Make sure you have already downloaded HelloFresh app on your device. If not, you can head towards Play Store or App Store, search for the app HelloFresh and download it. Once you download the app, launch it. You will land to the plans page. Now at the bottom you're going to find different options. Click on the option of settings. Then click on the option of sign up or login. Now from here you can easily log into your account. You can use the Google account, Apple ID, Facebook account to log in, or also you can directly enter your email address. For now, I'm going to type in my email address directly over here. Once you type in, click on continue. Now type in password. Now over here type in your password. In the case you have forgotten your password, click on this option of forget password to recover it. Once you type in, click on login. And just with that, you will be logged into your account. Well, this way you can easily log into your HelloFresh account. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.